Search and destroy. Defend the objective. UAV recon, ready for deployment.
Hey guys, what's up? Mike here with Tutorials Empire. Today we're going to be teaching you how to get Magic Bullet Looks 64-bit for Sony Vegas Pro 10.0 only, and obviously 64-bit. Now there will be no illegal installations included. You should definitely go buy this program if you want it. So yeah, go support Red Giant Software and buy this program. I have bought it, so if you see, as you saw previously, there is no watermark on mine. That is because I bought it. So first of all, just download the file in the description. And once again, no serials or anything, it's just to play around with. Download the file in the description, go to MB Suite Win, run this installation file as administrator, as we're doing now. It's going to ask you if you want to run it. Now, once again, guys, buy this. Support the developer. I know you guys like to get stuff for free. This is an awesome program. It's for Vegas 64-bit. Just came out. Go support the developer. But, yeah. Anyways, guys, it's just going to load up here. So that's awesome. And click Next. Yes. And then, if you have a serial key and you bought it, you can submit it. But I don't. Well, I do already. I just uninstalled to do this. I'll do it later. So we're just going to click Next. And it's going to ask us which ones we want to install. Check the Magic Bullet suite for Sony Vegas Pro. And then click Next. And install. And it's going to go ahead and install this for you guys right now. But just a little update. We and Carson were supposed to switch off tutorials. But he's sort of going unresponsive on Skype. So just a little update for you guys. He will be doing the next. Contact him. But so I thought I'd do one real quick here because I want to upload a video a day. But anyways, guys, looks like it's installed. So let's go view the trial version and see what we can do with it. So it's going to pop up a post installation thing. You don't even need it. X out, and it'll automatically check for an update. You can set if you want to check it weekly or whatever, which is awesome. Which we don't need to do. So go away, please. Alright, we're just going to close out of that and open up our Sony Vegas. Make sure it's a 64-bit Vegas or shit's going to happen. But as you can see there, it is 64-bit version of Vegas. So next we're just going to, sorry about this video bus being viewed. I got to unview that. I was doing some stuff with it. Alright, so we're going to we're just going to open up a clip, any clip. We're just going to open up my friend's clip called 3-piece. Disable resample and uncheck these things. So that looks good. It looks clean. It looks clear. And now we're going to scroll down, and you should see Magic Bullet Looks. Awesome. 64-bit version of Vegas. That is awesome. That is legit. Right now, it is unresponsive, and it's going to ask me if I have a serial key, probably. But we're going to go, it says register there. We're going to edit. So just drag it on and click edit, and it will open the Magic Bullet Looks builder. So now, if you have any color corrections installed or any you want to make, you can use anything, guys. This is the full version. This is complete. It is completely awesome. And I'm just going to drag on, let's say, warm. Alright, so I like the look of that. So I'm just going to click finished. And here it is. It will appear here in a second. It might have a watermark or something over it. Probably will. But there you go, guys. I mean, how amazing is that? You guys will have a watermark. I guess it detects the license key that I already previously inputted. And I probably will have to block that out in the video. But there you go, guys. Magic Bullet Looks complete. If you're wondering why we're not giving you a serial, first of all, we don't do stuff illegally on this channel at all. And secondly, we can't get any strikes on YouTube. So that's the reason why. But download the pack to play around with it anyways, guys. I promise you, I'm going to say this one more time. Download the pack. I promise you, you won't regret it. You'll post in the comments saying you're happy, but don't give away more than that. Anyways, guys, there you go. That's Magic Bullet Looks. That's how to do it for Sony Vegas. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's pretty quick, but this is Mike, and I've showed you how to get Magic Bullet Looks for Sony Vegas 64-bit trial version. Thank you, guys. Bye.